Hey, hello. Do you know where I can find the Redskins game?
Um, is this a serious question?
Um, why wouldn't it be?
Maybe because the Redskins are a sorry-ass team maybe? How about that? It's playoff season and you can't get in from being sorry.
Oh, well, you have to excuse me. I'm new to football and thought my home team in DC was doing well. So you're telling me they stink?
That is correct. In fact, they've been smelling bad for quite a few years now. You know, like how you smell when you take a dump.
Well, as long as they don't smell like my used tampons, I think I can live with that.
Typical Bumpskins fan. Do you know if I had two sets of balls, I would have more wins than the Skins did last season? If I had 8 pimples on my ass, you know that's more games they have won in 2 years? Skins are straight trash.
I mean, yeah, but you don't have to let everybody know. What is your name, sir?
My name is Samir. Why?
Because you sound like this dude named P. A. Pat.
And who is he?
Oh, just this dude that trips us Skins fans a new one, each and every week. And I can't really blame him, because the Skins lose every week. Then we always have Skins fans that talk trash even though we suck, so he really makes us pay for it. Like I try to stay off Facebook on Mondays,
Why Mondays?
because we've always lost by then, and then Pat always comes on with his press conference and makes us all feel like shit. Do you think you can do something about that?
Well, I'm a Cowboys fan, and I must admit, y'all do suck. Like a cheap whore off Southern Avenue. The problem starts at the top, with your owner Snyder. All the way down to those three bum quarterbacks y'all have. Maybe you should write to your team owner asking him to do better.
Yeah, maybe I'll try that.
I'm still trying to believe you came in here looking for a Redskins game. You know you have to wait about 9 months before they can lose again though, right? By the way, is there any particular reason you have had a losing season 6 out of the last 7 seasons? I think my high school team could beat y'all. Do you have any good reason for your sorriness?
Well, Shanahan ruined us with that dumb RG3 pick. Like I knew he was garbage, but my fellow fans didn't want to listen to a female. So RG3 started this whole losing mess. Then he did the stanky leg and was out for a season. Then our backup Kirk Cousins came in and threw like 22 interceptions in 3 games. I've never seen a team play worse. And the whole time Pat just continues with his damn press conferences making fun of us. I swear Pat doesn't have a sensitive soul in his body. I hate him for clowning us. Basically, we Skins fans have a disorder. And everyone knows you don't make fun of handicapped people.
How about them Cowboys though? Remember when y'all won by a lucky 3 points? But a couple weeks ago we whooped y'all stanky asses at FedEx Field? Any particular reason y'all were not talking shit then?
No. And you're right. You gotta excuse most of us Skins fans. Because, well, most of us are just plain retarded. And on occasion, we go full retard. Even though everyone knows you never go full retard. So we really don't have the slightest idea of how to win a game. But that doesn't mean y'all had to run the score up on us. Where's the mercy?
We, them, boys, bitch.
That's mean. You trying to make me cry?
Pretty much. I thought y'all said the Eagles were going to win the division. I thought y'all said we weren't going to the playoffs.
You have to excuse us. We are just haters. In every aspect of the word. We need intervention.
Why are you even a Skins fan? What have they done for you other than lose? Aren't you tired of losing every Sunday? Aren't you tired of being the laughingstock of the league? Aren't you tired of your head coach looking clueless? Why does your quarterback wear leggings?
I could have sworn I told you. Most of us are retarded. We were dropped on our heads several times as a child. We've been dumb a long time.
Seems as though y'all can't stand to see other teams prosper either, huh? Just got to hate, huh?
That's correct, sir. We live, eat and drink hate. Runs deep in our blood. Pat is right. We are scum. The one thing we can't stand, the one thing that burns us up other than our gonorrhea, is the Cowboys winning. Makes me want to cry every time. And Pat just kicks us when we're down.
Well, that's just bad karma from hating. Got to let it go. How did you even get so good with the hate?
Well, I learned from some of the best haters in the world. Like Frank King, Duck Bates, Johnny Miles, Les Burr, Carol Buddy Anderson, Hall of Fame Dink, Chris Broadway, Ramsey Boom Butler, and especially Chinaman. And 70-year-old Mike IQC is like the senior lead hater. All have master degrees in hating. I swear they have hating down to a complete science. Sometimes they be moving too fast though, like during the Lions game, when Dallas was down 14-0. They were posting jokes and stupidish on Facebook, thinking the Cowboys were going to lose. But the Cowboys winning the game make us all look like a complete fool. I blame the Skins for making me a dummy. But I was stupid to give in to the Dan Snyder hype. Every year he bamboozles us with hope. Like signing Hainsworth, picking up 60-year-old McNabb, the RG3 shit sure didn't work. Neither did picking up the fake youngster Deshaun Jackson. We Skins suck all the way around. I feel like Superhead, while looking like Precious.
All Slum Skin fans. Guess that's what a 4-12 record does for you. But as Cowboys, look at us now bitches, we are in the playoffs. Everybody said we were gonna be one and done. Which by the way is what the Skins did back in 2012. But we went out and whooped the Lions' ass. Skins fans and haters so mad they screaming we paid the refs off. But we did not. We just did some good old-fashioned ass kicking like we do every week. And now that we are playing another playoff game, whose team dick are you all going to ride now?
Well, me personally, I will jump on Seattle's dick. But most of us Redskins haters will grasp the Packers' penis. We will grip their meat tightly and pray that they beat Dallas. As haters, all we can do is pray that the Cowboys lose. Pray and hate.
All that hating is going to kill you one day. You know that, right? You should be ashamed of yourself. I will pray for you. But realize, the Dallas Cowboys cannot be stopped. Romo is going to take us to the promised land. No haters allowed.
Are you sure you are not P.A. Pat? Because you are more harsh than him. Now I have to go home feeling like a low-life piece of shit. Lucky you, that you won 12 games, instead of us losing them, so you don't know this awful feeling. I want to jump off a cliff. That would be less painful than witnessing the Cowboys winning another game. Can you console me, please?
Back up off me, ho. You are not worthy enough to be near a winner. Do you even know who your quarterback is going to be next year? RG3 let you down, huh? RG3 is a diva. When Cowboys played him, Romo made him his bitch. And RG3 liked it. Fag. But it's time for me to leave. Now you go buy a new cushion for your couch. We winners got more playoffs games to win. Packers, you hear us? We coming for that ass. Dallas going to be in the Super Bowl, bitch.